Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install a cooler cargo box on your Maverick Sport 1000. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is grab the provided brackets as well as the provided hardware. We're going to get these brackets installed on the machine. We're going to grab each of our brackets. We're going to grab our driver's side. The driver's side bracket is going to be the side that has more of a flat compared to the passenger side. And we're going to install our screws into these factory holes located here, and then the same exact location on the opposite side. We're going to grab the provided hardware as well as a lock washer. Line up the bracket. We're going to repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Once the hardware is started, go ahead and fully tighten it. Next, we're going to grab our cargo box and sit it into the bed of the machine, making sure that we align it with the brackets. Once it's aligned with the brackets, we're going to grab our thumb screws and thread them into the threaded hole on the cargo box. Go ahead and get the hardware started into the cargo box. We'll repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Once all your hardware is fully tightened, that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's cooler cargo box on this Can-Am Maverick Sport 1000. For more information on this cooler cargo box or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.